So guys, this is the result now, and we're gonna wait until 3 days. So yeah, I treatment my hair. It's very dry my hair last few months because I have bleach, and I have bleach, straight, permanent, and I have color old one. So as you can see, I didn't, but it's the best to have a keratin treatment. So you can book now with me. So yeah, so it's pretty now. So as you can see, very shiny, not too much dry as 2 days. I gonna put my my dryness hair now is a little bit smooth, and I can brush properly again because it's too hard when it's frizzy and it's dry. You must do something like a keratin, can smooth and healthy again your hair. Okay, hello, hey.